Hi guys, hope you're okay, hope you're doing well, and if you're new, welcome to this channel. Thank you for those of you who are loyal, back again, we appreciate it so much. But today, based on the title, I'm sure you guys can see, Zara haul we've got for you guys. You guys seem to be loving those ones. I mean, we've looked at the views and it's popping. So we're gonna come back with more hauls for you guys. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you what we've picked up. Any more information? That's it. No. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So first box, this one is quite big, so I'm not gonna how am I this? This box, so I've already opened it to make it easier because I'm always struggling with my scissors. So first item we have right in season leather trousers we have going on here. They've labeled them as leggings, but yeah, I think depending on the size that you get and things like that, it'll be a really nice forest green, great for this time of weather, season, and leather's also in. This is an XL, just so that you guys can see. Do you think Zara sizing is small, generally speaking? When I look at this,
that's what people say, but I think if you're above a certain size, whatever, then you'd say that. But if you're under size 16,
you think it's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, XL, just so that you guys can see. In terms of length, it looks like it's just a full length trouser. It's not like a capri or anything. Short. Yeah, really simple style with a lot. How would you style it?
Oh, I just see it with I think we have a jacket in one of the holes. It's green.
So you
like a Tweedy Chanel kind of, yeah. I see that with that. I also see it white with white shirt.
I was going to say white shirt. This one.
White shirt, clean white shirt with some loafers would be brilliant. I also see it with a jumper. Like one of these turtleneck H&M jumpers here, brown, tan, a lot of colors. So
taking this. So yeah, really nice pair of leather trousers. They're also very soft. So in terms of getting in, you're not going to really struggle, which is usually a thing when it comes to like leather clothing. But yeah, these are all right. Next item we have. Which I love the look of. Like, I'm sold already. These boots. I wish I could cue in the music. I might do that if my editing skills are amazing. But this color, everything about it, the square toe, it just looks like class. Do you know what I mean? It looks really, really nice. Really edgy as well.
Funny you should say class, because when I saw it, the first brand that came into my mind was Cezanne. Cezanne does like timeless pieces. Very clean, not much to it.
I've just started following them actually.
Yeah.
So yeah, really, really, really nice. I like the heel. It's square, but it's wider than usual, which is really, really nice. I think it looks different in comparison to other boots. Again, it's not really at your ankle, just above the ankle, which I think is very nice when it comes to these ankle/shin boots.
Zip color.
It's the color that I'm sold on. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like
it's not khaki.
It's not sage.
It's not.
It's like they've done everything with it and they've come up with this beautiful color. Real leather.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, real leather. Sorry.
Real leather. And how much?
Oh, this was under £20. Believe it.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I really, really like this bit. I wish I could.
How much is it originally on the thing?
I feel like it was more because it says $49.99, but I feel like it was more than that.
It was under £20. So.
Yeah. Absolutely beautiful boots. Beautiful. Hopefully, yes, you guys will see a style with them.
Yeah.
So
I see it with like tapered trousers. Tapered. You know where you see a little bit of skin. The boots and then the trousers. Or even a spring dress.
Yeah, really, really nice pair of boots. Really like those ones. Next item in the box, sticking with shoes, we have these white sandals. I think they're, what do you call it? Is there a name for when it goes up the leg? No.
Is it the gladiator look?
Yes, more of a gladiator look.
Yeah.
Like you go crisscross.
I was gonna say your box is actually a mismatch of everything. You have winter,
spring,
summer.
It's true.
This is typical summer.
Typical summer shoes. Wear with any sort of tent dress, very big flowing dress, really nice.
I see this with a black dress or a navy dress.
Okay, something darker.
Yeah.
So that what these kind of
shoes
pop.
Yeah.
I get where you're going with that. Square toe again, sold. Nice heel height. So even if you went as far as say a wedding, you know that you're going to be comfortable, but you will look really nice. Are these real leather? Well, so
yeah. I really tend to go
gravitate.
for leather. Yeah, I think it makes sense to buy. Although they are not investment prices, I still feel like if I'm going to spend my money, I have to spend it wisely. So I always look for leather.
And I feel like the fact that you get real leather for a bargain, top notch. So yeah, really, really like these sandals. Yeah, great for summer. Or mid-spring and spring. In this box we also have this bag. I've already used it, to be honest, but this brown shoulder bag. Obviously you guys know the vibe, you know that
this is the anti-vibe again, isn't it?
Yeah, that's come back for everybody. But yes, love the shoulder bag.
I'm loving the anti-vibe.
Yeah, it's really very much in. So when I saw them, I was just like, I had to get my own, but I didn't obviously want to spend so much. Prada started it. The movement.
The nylon one.
Yeah, and then everyone started to do their own. Monkey had some and all that stuff. But yeah, Zara came through for me. And really, really like this brown.
And the good thing about the Zara one is you can actually use it. It's functional.
Yes.
Whereas some of these ones are like, for shirts. It's like you can just put your phone in it and that's it.
So you know you're going to have something practical as well as looking really, really good. So really like this bag. On to the next box. Let's give that up. Next box. And in here we have this puffer jacket. We saw a lot of inspiration on Instagram. Some of these are Hilly Bieber and things like that you looked at to see the puffer jacket. So when we saw this white one, we were like, yes, this would really work for styling. Let me hold it up for you properly because half the time you guys can't see what I'm holding. I don't know if it shows well on camera. Can they see, you think?
Yeah, they do see.
So a nice white puffer jacket. White is very scary, I can't lie. I probably wouldn't wear it as often just to keep it crisp. But the day you do wear it, it's like a brilliant white. It's like, oh my gosh, she's wearing something different. Fitted. You've got these drawstring here, which is nice and different because they're actually fabric, like normal jogging bottoms, whatever. Drawstrings.
Got some zips in the front.
Yeah, some black zips which contrast it really nicely. Zips on the pockets. Which do work. You have your
Is it a skater, the cuffs?
Yeah, they are. So they're stretchy. Really nice puff jacket.
Do you want to open the front zip so we can
see inside? Yeah. And you have this ring on the zip to help as well. It's nice. So on the inside, still white. It's not like fleece lined. It's still got the same sort of.
What's the lining like?
It's softer than the outside, but I don't know what it is. It's similar though.
Okay.
I don't know if it's silky-ish as well. I might give it to you so you can have a feel. But this is in a double XL. So you get that sort of really bombing look. Bomber look. Yeah. It's really big, really puffy, which I like. If you want to have a feel on the inside to give them an idea. But some of the looks we were going for were like, we really need some good puffers. So you might see a few in the upcoming videos.
I think it's polyester though.
Oh, polyester, yeah. But feels really, really good. So, really nice jacket. How much was it?
Again, we are out here for the bargain, so I don't. It says 49 here, but I don't think I paid that. Probably 19.
Yeah. So, £19. Really nice jacket. That will keep you warm because it felt like it had enough padding to.
That's 49. paid 19, I guess. I think it has to go back in the box so that we don't see.
Yeah, get it dirty. Do you want to take that?
Yeah.
I think. And then we have one more box for you guys. Okay, these to die for, guys. When we got these, I'm just like, you just never cease to amaze me. These loafers, the most beautiful. They're so interesting. I love them so much. So you have the square toe marker on the front, and then this gold buckle. Obviously, you guys know me. I'm sold on the gold buckle already. The animal print is so nice as well. Really nice. It's the brown is more towards the orangey-ish side. I don't know if that
kind of like a burnt orange.
Yeah, which is also really cool. But yeah, I just love the shape of the loafer, because obviously everyone's typical loafer, you know, it's either pointed, rounded, or whatever. But this is square, and it's kind of wide in terms of the square toe, but all in all, really nice, and it's just edgy, just cool, quirky. So if you ever are in something that requires loafers, you can just take it to the next level with these. They feel sturdy as well, so you know that your shoes aren't going to be chatting worse in a few years. And yeah, size 6, anyone who wants to know. Do you remember how much you got them for? They were originally £90.
It is actually a mule as well.
Yes, that was another thing, that it doubles as a mule. So I don't know if you guys can see the line of demarcation there. The moment you step, then you can wear it as like a slip-on mule sort of thing. Really like this. But yeah,
like I've said, well, a million times, Zara's always making dupes of designer stuff.
Yeah, they are.
So this has elements of Chanel, but it's not Chanel. It's more of a J.W. Anderson. When you look at their mules, it comes with these chunky gold, you know, buckles, statement pieces.
They took Gucci to the next level, because I used to see Gucci.
That's Chanel, no Gucci.
Oh, you meant Gucci?
Loafers.
Okay, yeah. Their loafers, that's what made me get into that, because I was not, the tassels, I wasn't here for it. But when I saw the buckles, I said, that is me. So now that they're even getting bigger and better, I'm sold. But yes.
Yeah, so that's it.
And you got it for like...
This one was a difficult one to find. This one,
like you're waiting on it.
It's like, when am I ever? Because it sold out when it was full price. So there was no way I was going to get it. And then one day... I said God hears prayers, you know, mysterious ways.
It's true, he works in mysterious ways.
Somebody would say something as fickle as shoes, but God cares about everything we care about.
Yeah.
So I need something, I'm gonna pray
about it, yeah. So £20, isn't it?
Yeah, and I got it for £20.
Amazing. So yeah, really happy with these loafers. But yeah, I think that's it for this haul. Again, hopefully you guys saw things that you really liked. Comment down below your favorite item in this video, what you like the most. Share, like, comment, all of that jazz. Subscribe to see more of this. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Without further ado, I said without further ado. Hopefully we'll see you in the next one. if it fits.
Feel free, have fun styling it.
Bye guys.